How to cancel your Pollo AI subscription to notify full guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for polloai.home, and you have to log into your Pollo account. And after logging into your Pollo account, you can see there is a option called profile. You just have to simply click on here and see what package you are in right now. So you can just click on the pricing section from here, and then you can see which subscription plan you are subscribed to, and you can just see a button next to it like cancel the subscription or something like that. You just have to simply click on that, and that's how you can cancel your Pollo AI subscription in 2025. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.